Good evening, everyone. Can you hear me okay? So, Nick, thank you very much for that excellent introduction and welcome. I'm part of the Design and Heritage Group at the Guildford Society, and I'm delighted that we decided this year's lecture would continue the theme of learning good examples of housing and hearing from thought-leading architects. I'm hopeful that through this process of seeing exemplary housing by Ash Sakula, that we will be inspired to expect higher quality new housing in the borough of Guildford. We first became familiar with the work of Ash Sakula a few years ago after visiting the exhibition for the innovative Phoenix project in Lewes, Sussex, an environmentally sustainable new development of 650 homes. And I will leave Cany and Robert to explain their project in the lecture. Of particular interest to me, and I hope you will find this too, is how their buildings incorporate local architectural identity without resorting to pastiche. And their housing layouts demonstrate different ways of achieving high density without resorting to high rise. You will have the opportunity to ask Cany and Robert questions about their work at the end of their presentation. So it's time to allow Cany and Robert to explain their work. And would you welcome Cany to the stage, who is going to start this evening's lecture.
Can I just take that? Yeah. Thanks a lot. So, amazing to be here. What an amazing screen. I don't think I've had such a brilliant, immersive place to show our work. We, as maybe you can see on this image, we have a studio which is quite committed to using older techniques of exploring architecture, i.e. sketching, as well as using computers and all the digital wonders that we have at our fingertips. But sometimes when you're battling with a whole load of constraints, it's really that brain to hand, eye to hand intelligence. You can't replicate that, or at least not yet. So this is a typical scene on in the center of our office. So we also have another table, which is, we call our kind of 21st century table, which is aluminium. So there's the timber table and then this other table. And we do a lot of sitting around and testing things out. So we're not always just facing the screens. And I want to pass over to Robert, but I just thought I would set the scene with, where we hang out. Thanks.
No, I'll keep that, I think. Right, hello, thank you. I'm Robert Sakula. I'm the other partner of Ash Sakula Architects. So I'm going to start by showing you 4 projects that we've done over the years. And then after that, Cany's going to talk maybe slightly more, no, probably not theoretically, well, slightly theoretically and also slightly practically, and applying some of the things we've been talking about to thinking about Guildford as well.